Yo guys, what is up? In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your privacy settings inside of TikTok. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is tap onto your profile. Then you're gonna want to click on these three bars on the top. Then you're gonna want to click on settings and privacy. Now you see all these different options, but the one option that is important is the privacy one. So tap onto privacy. And there you can see all your different privacy options. But I'm just going to be looking at the ones that are important. So the first one is a private account. What this will do is make your account private so that only you can see the things you post onto your TikTok account. All these options down here aren't very important. So we're going to be scrolling down to the bottom where you can see the safety options, because these are actually important. The first safety option is downloads. If you toggle this on, people will be able to download your videos to their camera roll. So either turn it on or off, however you want. The next one is comments, where you can decide who can comment under your videos. For example, only friends, no one, or everyone. The next option is mentions, where you can decide who is able to mention you. For example, so what this means is just people are able to tag you under videos. For example, only friends, everyone, or people you follow. The next option is the following list. So what this means is either everyone can see who you are following or only you. If you enjoyed, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.